Simple Calculator Code Explanation. Hello young coders. Today we are going to create a simple calculator using Python. Let us first run the code and see how our calculator works. I am being asked to enter the first number, then the operator sign, and then the second number. The output I get is 17, which is simply the addition of 12 and 5. Let's try it one more time. We get the correct output this time as well. If we enter a character instead of a number, we will get an error message that says invalid literal for int. This is because we are not supposed to enter characters. Let us now begin coding our simple calculator. The purpose of any calculator is to take numerical input from the user and perform mathematical operations on it. So, the first part of our code needs to be the user input section. Num1 equals input. Enter the first number. Enter the first number is a string, so we enclose it inside double quotes. Input is a function and hence the round brackets. Here, the equal sign is actually the assignment operator. So, the user input will get assigned to num1. However, writing only this much is not sufficient for our calculator. We need to make sure that the user enters a number and not a character. Hence, we will enclose the input function inside an int function. We need to ask the user what mathematical operation he or she wants to perform. So, we will write the statement for sign in a similar way. Note that we do not use the int function in this case because the sign, like plus or minus, is a character and not a number. Similar to num1, we will write the statement for num2. In the next part of our code, we need to first decide which mathematical operation to perform on the two numbers entered by the user. For this, we will use conditional statements. If sign equals plus colon, print num1 plus num2. This is an if statement beginning with the if keyword and ending with a colon. Equals is a conditional operator that checks for equality. Basically, in this line, we are checking whether the operator sign is plus. If the sign is plus, we will print the addition of num1 and num2. Note that the print statement is indented to the right, meaning that this statement will get executed only if the if condition mentioned above is true. Next, we will write 3 elif statements to check whether the sign is minus, asterisk, or slash for subtraction, multiplication, and division, respectively. Note that in each case, the print statement under the elif is indented. Finally, we will write the else statement that will be executed if none of the conditions mentioned above are true. We are done coding for our simple calculator. Congratulations!